Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into YouTube Studio for subtitle editing and styling, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in youtube.com in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. If you are not signed in, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and click next. Input your password and click next again to log in. Once signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. You will be redirected to the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Subtitles. Here you will see a list of your uploaded videos. Choose the video for which you want to edit subtitles. Click on the video title or the edit button next to it. You will be taken to the subtitle editing screen. In this section, you can add, edit, or remove subtitles. To edit existing subtitles, click on the subtitle track you want to adjust. You can now modify the text as needed. To style your subtitles, explore the formatting options available. Adjust the timing for better synchronization if necessary. Once you finish editing, click Save Changes. For any new subtitles, click on Add and follow the prompts. Finally, review your changes to ensure everything appears as desired. Exit the subtitle editing interface when you are done. Return to the dashboard or navigate to another section as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.